Kyle Skelly with Innovating the Outdoors, and we are getting ready to release a new product here. We were at the Mobile Hunters Expo, and Elevate Stand Company was there, so we got to meet Josh, Jared, and Brittany from Elevate Stand Company, and they're great people that are bringing some awesome products into the market. So we had some conversations with them, and there were a couple things after we had purchased a stand that we wanted to walk away with and kind of address for the customers. So the first product that we're going to release for them here is a post locker. So their post goes into what is referred to as a seat shelf mode, just like this. I do not have my cushion on, just because I was trialing some things with this. So it's a really nice feature, similar to what you would see on a 0.5, and some other stands, I believe, also do this as well. So the only thing that I've seen about this is, you know, you're using gear ties to keep it from bouncing around as you hike in. So we wanted to come up with a solution that basically resolved that issue. What we came up with is the Elevate Post Locker, and what it is it is a wedged piece with a hole that a 1/8 inch bungee will pass through. So what you'll get in your kit is about 12 inches of 1/8 inch bungee or shock cord. You're going to get the rope locker itself, which is a wedged piece, and these are all made out of TPU, so very sound deadening. You're not going to have any really noise with this. And then also you're going to have a retainer. So all the retainer does is prevent it from slipping through the bridge design in the post. So with that being said, all we're going to do to set this up is we are going to create a simple overhand knot on the 1/8 inch bungee, and we want to get these knots as close to the end of the bungee as possible, just to give you guys some more real estate to work with. If they are long, we can always go back in, cut them up with scissors, and burn the ends. Then you're going to pass the non-knotted side, the side that you did not tie the knot on, through the retainer, and it's just going to snap down in there. Now you have your retainer. All you're going to do is on the lightning pocket right up, here's the standoff. Sorry about this tag, guys. I can get that out of the way. So here's the standoff. There's this lightener pocket right here. All you're going to do is from the back side or from the platform side of the stand, you're just going to feed it through that and bring the tag end of the bungee through. You're just going to pull that through, and now this is going to retain that. You can see it sliding. This is going to retain that bungee and the rope locker onto the post rather than the platform. And then all we're going to do from there is pass the bungee through the eyelet on the actual rope locker, and we're just going to do a simple overhand knot again. Again, try to keep it clean. Keep your knots close to the edge. If you do get a long tag end you're not happy with, cut it, hit it with a lighter to cinch everything down. Now, once you get that, the way that this works when you're hiking in, it's designed to store, or I'm sorry, when you're up in the tree and you're done using the seat shelf mode, it's actually designed to just sit right in there, and it wedges right in there. So it's out of the way. You're not going to catch anything on it. It's not going to interfere with you putting your cam buckle strap on. Now when you get down and you're ready to deploy into like seat shelf mode and you really want to lock this, all you're going to do is pull your bungee or your bungee rope locker out. You're going to pass it through the lightener pocket like this, and on the back side, hopefully I can get this here, the Versa buttons stick out ever so slightly, about 1/4 inch from the bottom side of the platform. All this is going to do is you're just going to just slide this right underneath the button head, the Versa button head, and it's going to lock it in. And as we see here, I'm just holding it just by the post. There's no clanking around. It is locked basically permanently in seat shelf mode. Whenever you want to take it out, you're getting ready to hang your stand, you can climb up like this, but whenever you're getting ready to hang your stand, all you do is just push on the two ends or the two tabs of the rope locker, and it's going to pop right out. And now you're ready to deploy the post and attach it to the tree. So really nice stand. I'm not going to get into the details of it. I'm sure people are going to be reviewing these real shortly, but I do want to give a lot of praise to Elevate Outdoors and the team there. They brought a really reasonable product to the market that doesn't cut the pockets too deep. So with that being said, that's what we have to offer here. We are going to be doing a good bit more with this stand in the future, but we just wanted to kick things off, and we hope that this is a good solution for the people that are buying the stand. And as you guys are playing with it in the yard, we think that you'll really see the need for something like that. And like I said, a gear tie, a bungee cord will do the same thing. You know, this is just a very nice, simple, clean solution for somebody that has you know, a few bucks to spare. We're not going to kill anybody over this. This is going to be $12, and we did transition our online store over to a $30 minimum for free shipping. If you do not qualify for the free shipping, it is I believe it's about like usually $4 to $5 depending on where you're at in the US. So shipping costs really aren't killing you. We're not hitting anybody with the $10-15 that we've seen across the board happen across the board on some companies. So yeah, we hope you guys like it, and we'll be anxious to be hearing feedback from everybody out in the field. There's going to be little to no issues with this, in my opinion. It's printed with the same material, the same TPU that our Flexiome has, and we are just getting some killer feedback from that in the field. So I think this will be another one of those solutions where it's a quick, simple fix, and you know, for a few bucks it really gets you a nice solution to a problem out in the field. So thanks guys, and I appreciate it.